Please like, share, and subscribe.
2014 Porsche Cayman S, finished in racing yellow with black interior. This is an extremely clean and well-kept Cayman S, with extremely low miles as well. Features on this Cayman S include, but are not limited to: 7-speed PDK transmission, Porsche torque vectoring, Bose sound system, Porsche active suspension management, PASM, sport design steering wheel, 19-inch Boxster S Alloys. Transmission, 7-speed, PDK, includes dual-clutch gearbox with manual controls on the steering wheel and gear selector, automatic mode and coasting function. Coasting means the automatic declutching of the engine to allow the vehicle to continue under its own momentum without engine braking. The reduced driving resistance helps to reduce fuel consumption. Porsche torque vectoring includes variable drive torque distribution by intelligent braking of the rear wheels, mechanically locking rear differential with asymmetrical locking, 22% under traction, 27% on overrun, improves agility and steering precision as well as traction and driving stability. Bose surround sound system includes digital sound system for special sound experience, altogether 10 loudspeaker inclusive active subwoofer and center speaker, 8-channel amplifier with 445 watts of total output. Bose Centerpoint 2 and surround stage technologies enable the system to play stereo recordings in a virtual surround mode and offer full support for the decoding and playback of 5.1 digital recordings, and audio pilot noise compensation technology ensures that acoustic pattern is constant and well balanced in all driving conditions. Porsche active suspension management, PASM, includes electronically variable active damping system with 2 manually selectable modes, normal and sport, ride height lowered by 10 mm. 2-way electric sport seats plus, includes driver and front passenger seats featuring manual adjustment of seat height and fore/aft position as well as electric adjustment of backrest angle. Black, leather seat trim. Wheel centers with full-color Porsche Crest. Sport design steering wheel, included in conjunction with PDK, option, with gearshift paddles for manual gearshift control. Wheels, 19-inch Boxster S Alloy one-piece with 5 closed-end, dual-arm spokes. BI xenon lighting system, includes Porsche Dynamic Light System, PDLS, automatic and dynamic range adjustment, headlight cleaning system, dynamic cornering lights and speed-sensitive headlight range control. Sport Chrono Package, includes dynamic transmission mounts as well as analog and digital stopwatch, Sport Plus button on center console.
Subscribe.